Welcome everyone. Today is Tuesday, 6th of August 2024. Let us dive right into today's top stories. President Draupadi Murmu receives Fiji's highest civilian award. India's President Draupadi Murmu is on two-day visit to Fiji. Today she was conferred with the Companion of the Order of Fiji, the country's highest civilian award. In 2023, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred with the same award. All-party meeting on Bangladesh. As we all know, Bangladesh students were protesting over job quotas for some days. Yesterday, Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina resigned and left the country, and currently she is in India. Army Chief General has taken over the administration and announced an interim government. India's Ministry of External Affairs advised all its citizens, that is Indians, to avoid travelling to Bangladesh. Today, there was all-party meeting called by the government. In the morning, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar briefed all-party meeting about the situation in the Bangladesh. Bill for ST representation in Goa Assembly. Government has introduced a bill in Lok Sabha. The name of the bill is Readjustment of the Representation of the Scheduled Tribes in Assembly Constituencies of the State of Goa Bill 2024. The bill aims to do two things. First, it aims to provide reservation to scheduled tribes in Legislative Assembly of Goa. Secondly, it aims to provide for the readjustment of the assembly constituencies. At present, Goa Assembly has 40 seats, of which one is reserved for scheduled castes, while no seat is reserved for scheduled tribes, and that is why this bill is introduced. 18,000 crore rupees for horticulture clusters. Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has announced 18,000 crore rupees to set up 100 export-oriented horticulture clusters in the next 5 years. India suspends train services to the Bangladesh indefinitely. All train services between India and Bangladesh were suspended indefinitely due to the unrest in the neighboring country. There are three passenger trains between India and Bangladesh: Maitri Express, Bandhan Express, and Mithali Express. Maitri Express runs between Dhaka and Kolkata. Bandhan Express runs between Khulna and Kolkata, and Mithali Express runs between New Jalpaiguri and Dhaka. Amendment to Waqf Act of 1995. The proposed amendments bring two major changes. First, it requires Waqf Board to register their properties with the district collector. This will ensure accurate valuation of the Waqf boards. And second, it proposes mandatory representation of women in the Waqf board. You can find all the sources for today's stories link in the description below. If you want to read more details or verify the news, check them out. That's all for today's top stories. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for your daily dose of news. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos, and drop a comment below to let us know what news topics you would like to hear more about. Stay informed, stay connected, and I will see you in the next episode. Until then, take care and have a great day.